I don't see Morris yet, but he'll be here in a minute. You ready, Tuxie? Come here, bud. Good morning. Come on, sweetie. That's a good boy. Marty. Tux hasn't even gotten a mouthful yet. Let me put Marty back with Stripe. You gotta let Tux eat for just a minute. Come on now. Don's got Ruby out. I actually felt pretty faint first thing this morning. Had to sit down a couple times. I've had my coffee over ice, which is a lot of fluid because the ice melts because the coffee's hot when I do that, and I'm starting to feel a little better. Giving blood, it does take a little bit out of me. It doesn't bother Don any, but it's hard for me. Well, it's nice and cool out here today. We're gonna have a high in the 70s. More rain probably. All the kitties are doing good. Morris did show up there just a few seconds after I stopped filming. He came out of the woods, so all is good in the kitty kingdom this morning. Be back in a little bit, Tux. You hold down the fort, okay? I don't know what time it's supposed to rain today. It doesn't seem very rainy right now. Hi, Stripey. Hi, bud. Aw, it's just a mirror moving, honey. You be a good boy. Good morning, Ruby. Well, Ruby says it's 67. That's amazing for an August morning for us. We're on time to get downtown, 7:18 a.m., so that's good. Well, it's plenty gray out there today. No sign of the sun behind those clouds. I am mostly feeling better now. I was just a little rough start there this morning. I think we'll go for our walk when I get back to the house. I'll see how I feel when I go inside and what the weather's doing and what Don's up to. But probably, I don't really want to not walk. Don't want to push myself too hard either if that's not the right thing. So we'll see. We didn't really get a chance to watch a lot of YouTubes last night because we went and gave blood. You know, that was probably 90 minutes round trip, maybe going on 2 hours. We didn't wait horribly long up there, but yeah, so we just, some of that evening time that we would have had to, you know, normally would have watched things, we didn't get to watch them. So I'm feeling a little you know, not clued in this morning, I guess, on Tesla stuff or news stuff, or I mean, just didn't, yeah, have a chance to do that. So I am not going to the chiropractor today. Janice wasn't going to be in the office, and I'm undecided about Guardian Angel and Whole Foods. I'm leaning towards not making the rounds today and taking today off, but I haven't totally decided yet. So Wake Tech started back yesterday. You can't see from this view, but the parking lot is full, and Sam starts his first day today. I don't think we're gonna get rained on.
It's nice and cool though. In fact, we were talking about, well, should we bring our jackets?
A windbreaker, yeah. We decided it's a little chilly, but after we walk for a few minutes, it won't be.
Yeah.
I hope that works out for me. I do.
Wow, nice breeze.
No gnats.
No gnats. No sun, but that's okay.
Yeah, well, I don't mind having a little less wear and tear on my skin from the sun.
I think he said it's only going to be 70?
70 something. Yeah, it was 66 when we left the house. I don't know.
Yeah.
Downtown Raleigh was a couple degrees warmer. So they're out here making up for not mowing yesterday. I think it's about 20 steps to finish up the first floor, so I'm going to shoot for that right now. And in the pictures last night when I was doing the video, I noticed that these were not lined up, the holes, quite properly, and I fixed that this morning. was able to finish the first floor. So I'm quite happy about that. I've added a guy in a doggy costume to this window, a clerk here, a genie costume, and a Riddler Joker kind of costume. And, you know, this guy out in the front, and then there's a woman back there, a patron, and a wizard. And I'm happy with it. It's turned out pretty cool. I'll put that back in a minute. Got the 2 big brown doors installed, and the top is, you know, ready to have the next layer go on. And I think the only thing that I need to change is I need to add 4 windows. You know, insert the glass piece, the plastic glass piece. It's already 1:10, so I didn't leave myself a lot of time, but appears I probably do have enough time to go to the New Balance store, because I don't have to be over to the school until 2:30, so that's approximately 30 minutes. Even 20 minutes should be enough, because I know what I want and they're supposed to have it, although I don't know for sure about size. So I guess I'll try this. It's kind of taken me a funny way. I think I'd rather just go straight through downtown. I doubt it can be much different. Wow, what in the world is going on up here? That's a lot of emergency vehicles. At least 4 fire trucks, 2 police cars. I'll look again when I come back this afternoon, but best I could tell was that one of the houses up there was on fire, but I'm not even sure of that. There was one of the companies, I would say, was there, like all of downtown Fuquay's Fire Station 1, or the one up here on Hilltop Needmore or something. That was a lot of emergency vehicles. But I did not, there were no cars that were damaged. I did not believe it was a car accident. It's either a fire in the field or a fire at a residence. Since I'm heading straight through town, I have an alternate view today. We haven't had any rain, but it has stayed cloudy. The current temperature is 77. I'm 3 or 4 miles from the New Balance store. Well, this must be pretty new construction, because that's a field. It's busy up here, and I just went past Car Dealer Alley here on Wake Forest Road. So this is one of those shopping centers that all the stores have outside entrances, and I have to say that it's an absolute zoo, and the navigation to the location was not perfect, and I know where it is now, but I've been driving around dealing with craziness for about 5 minutes, and I could have done without that. Yeah, I'm not happy about where I had to park Ruby, but I didn't have a lot of choice. These spaces aren't super small though, so I ordered a pair of shoes. That was what I was able to try it on in the size that I wanted, but they didn't have it in my size in any of the colors that I would have accepted. Yeah, this is so totally fine, but it should be here in 4 to 5 days, so hopefully that rings true. Yes, I'm sure I have a Century event report, although they're nowhere near close to Ruby. They did good. So I guess I didn't clarify that I am now unhappy with the Skechers that I've been wearing. They have worn out against the back side of my heel, a hole through the foam. What have I been wearing them for? Well, not more than 3 months, but probably not even that long. Maybe only 2 months. I mean, I know I bought them after Johnny was out of school for the summer, so probably sometime late May, early June, and here it is August, and they've already got a hole in both heels in the foam area. Also, I would say there's not enough cushion long term, walking 3 miles a day. There's not enough cushion. I had already replaced the laces, because not just because I wanted a snazzier color, but because I didn't like them. They weren't stretchy, they weren't thick, they weren't really long enough. I didn't really like the laces. So I wanted to like those shoes, I really did. They're lightweight and that was cool, but several other things not happy now. So I basically ended up getting the New Balance that were as close to the shoes I previously had, and in a snazzy color. I got pink with a little blue accent, and like I said, they should be here in 4 to 5 days, but I am now not happy with the Skechers. Well, me and my helper, we're gonna build the bookshelf that goes in this corner right here. Dawn's still working and Johnny's off to do homework, and I don't have anything else I want to do, or dare I say need to do right this minute, so I'm gonna work on that. I got the base for the second floor not finished but well underway, and it actually leaves this open with a nice handrail. I had to substitute the triangle piece that he used, but I don't think it's gonna keep me from putting the handrail up. I'm looking for where the handrail is. Yeah, I don't think that's going to prevent me from putting that, because it's just using these dots, which are in the same place. So hopefully it'll work. It's Taekwondo time. 76 out there, and we never did get any rain today. I'm going to drop Johnny off and then let Dawn go back out and pick him up. I'm going to come home and get some chicken thighs started and do a couple other things around the house. Driving through South Park, and several ball games going on tonight. I think all 3 fields are in motion. There's some sort of a kit car or a dune buggy, or I don't know. I'm not familiar with it, but it's different. Maverick turbo something, huh? It's very unique.